Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another weekly breakdown here at Intuition FX. I hope you're all doing well. I hope everyone's had a fantastic week so far. And for those of you who are officially trading from this week, because it's February, welcome back. As you would have noticed, I started trading last week. Saw some good setups, and I thought I'm not going to sit down and miss them. I'm ready to trade, and it was a fantastic week, to be honest with you. The way I've started to trade, pretty much took one trade last week, to be honest. It was my first and last trade, about 23, 25, 25 odd pips, which was great for me. It was good. It was a very good way to go forward. And it's nice because you don't rush the process, slow steps and you slowly make gains. And it also gives you time to do other things in your life. So, going straight into the weekly news calendar. We have a lot of news this week, as you can imagine. USD news, Euro news, and GBP news. So there's going to be some nice volatility. However, guys, non-farm employment change. It's the first Friday of the month, and this is where we go and follow our protocol, which is we do not trade after Wednesday. So Thursday, you will not see me participating in the marketplace. Wednesday, you will see me participating. Thursday, to be honest with you, that 12 p.m. GBP rate does wonders, and I've traded it so many times before. But I'm gonna leave that on hold. I'm not really gonna participate in that. And Friday is just a no go. I'm not even gonna look at the chart. So my key day for this week is Wednesday. To be honest with you, that's gonna be my time trade. But if you guys are free on the other days, please continue to do so. But like I said, protocol, don't trade after Wednesday. Um, and then next week, well, we'll get to next week when we get there, right? So that's the plan I see. Unless I find a really good trade I can hold, then it's a different story. But let's get straight into it. Now, looking at the dollar side of things, um, obviously we have to look at the fact that Trump is now president. So I think dollar will have some interesting upside momentum. I genuinely like the fact how we have moved bullish on this weekly order block. This is very good. Look at where the bodies are closing, right? That's very good. We allow, that little bit of body close, but that is genuinely an amazing. Okay, that was not amazing. Okay, let me just copy this. Oh no. All right, we can definitely. Oh my bad. There we go. But we want that in blue. No, we'll leave it as red actually. So weekly OB. I'm going on the right. And you know what? I really need to buy TradingView, so I'm gonna get the premium version soon. So, anyways, actually it's a PD array, so I'm gonna keep that as a blue. Sorry, guys. Anyways, there we go. That is that. So we've got a daily order block and we've got a weekly bullish order block. Now, I'm very interested to see what happens. Very interested because ideally, if we're gonna be bullish next week, needs to go higher. If I drop down to the daily chart, I like the way we've traded. I'm just looking at it, guys. We do have this bearish order block here. We do have this candle over here as well, a breaker. So I'm very interested to see what is going to happen. I think early on we're going to find out what's going to happen. Very early on of the week, because if we trade much higher, then I guess it's time for bullish momentum. I like how we haven't closed yet above here. So I'm interested to see if this candle turns into a bullish order block or a different kind of candle, but could be a bullish order block. But at the moment, like I said, I'm just looking at it from a higher time frame perspective. Two ways this can go down. Either it's going to be a weekly bullish order block and we fly, or we fill in this completely fair value gap, immediate rebalance, and then we go lower. But it won't be an immediate rebalance because it'll be the next week now. But this coming week now is going to show a lot. Um, we have one candle to the left here. This candle is lower than this candle. So if we are bullish, and if this is a good point for price to genuinely go higher for a good, nice like momentum, then this low should not get taken. We can come down, create a low near here if we need, but the next candle should not exceed this low over here. So I'm leaving that open for DXY. By the time I come on the charts on Wednesday, hopefully it'll be clear enough for me, and then I will make my judgment of what I'm going to do on the trade. Looking at GU over here as well, again, I still got all the other analysis on here. And the thing I like and gives me confidence that DXY is higher is because, come on, I just don't believe we've left these lows like this, just sitting there. You know, I really do think we're going to really smash through them, and especially this low here. And I think long term, if the dollar's going to be bullish, then this fair value gap over here has definitely got my eye, but I would say it would be bearish then in this stance on this pair. So I'm just having a look. Let's see. Looking at it from a daily perspective as well. Hourly. I think we're gonna have bearish momentum on this pair. I do see that happening, to be honest with you guys. So it's a new month as well, so let's see how this month goes. But I do think that we are gonna head downwards. I think these lows seriously need to get taken out. So it's going to be interesting. And if we do take these up to candles over here, take it across from here, you've got yourself a bearish order block over here. So there's potential, guys, for downwards movement. But we will see. We will see, guys. Let's have a look. And then we've got Euro as well. Again, similar scenario in Euro, if I'm being honest. We have that bearish candle as well. But here's the issue. We're at a key bullish order block on Euro. So this is where, again, you don't need to rush into the markets. Sometimes, guys, this week you might not even take a trade. But you'd be surprised that if you just missed out on this week, let's say, because you're not sure where the price is going to go, going into next week and the weeks after, price will be more clearer because you'll know, okay, this is where the market's heading. Sometimes you just have to wait because, for example, let's take Euro for example, right? I'm trying to find a very clean point for you guys. So, okay, here. This is a COVID crash. These were the highs. And look how easy the downwards momentum became. We had to sit through consolidation, a bunch of crap, and then a nice trend followed for 2022. Same thing here, we've got a nice trend upwards, we're consolidating now. So manipulation, distribution, maybe. Low resistance liquidity run as well. So let the market show you its hand, is what I'm trying to say. Let the market do what it wants to do, and then you guys can go into the market and trade. So right now, I'm 50-50 on where we're going. I want to wait for at least Monday to pass and Tuesday. And then if I see anything Tuesday night or Wednesday, I'll update you guys. But like I said, guys, you got to stay patient. And moves are going to be coming in real soon. But we just got to be patient and wait for the clear ones to come. But apart from that, guys, I always keep my weekly breakdowns nice, simple, and short. I hope you guys have a fabulous trading week ahead of you. Please update the group chat. Please update everything. And in regards of the one-to-one calls, those will resume this week. So most of my free time is either going to be Wednesday, Thursday, or a Saturday. So if you want your calls, let's schedule them in, guys. But apart from that, I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead of you. Take care. Peace.